Hello and welcome to this Photoshop tutorial, where we will explore using smart filters for the absolute beginner. Hi, I'm Ehsan. I will be guiding you through this tutorial. If you have any questions, please leave a comment, and I will do my best to answer all your questions. And if you find this tutorial useful and want to see more, please like and consider subscribing so I can create more useful tutorials for you. Okay, let's get started. In this tutorial, I will show you some of the effects of different smart filters. In order to be able to use smart filters, and depending on which version of Photoshop you're using, you may need to unlock the image layer if it is locked. Click the lock icon to unlock the image layer. I am using Photoshop 2023. If I right-click on the image layer and select Convert to Smart Object, Photoshop will unlock the layer and convert the image at the same time. Once the image becomes a smart object, we can use the smart filters from the filter menu. As there are many filters to choose from, I will go over a few filters, and you can experiment with the rest to see what suits you best. When you choose a smart filter, it creates its own mask, which allows you to paint over any part of the filter and delete that part. Let's use a Gaussian blur to blur out the image and click to select the mask. The best thing about using smart filters is that your work is non-destructive. You can hide or show the filter using the eye icon next to the smart filter to see the before and after when using any smart filter. For example, if I wanted to show the girl's face, I can use a brush and paint black over the filter section that's covering her face, which will delete the filter part where I'm painting. If I switch the color and use white, I can undelete that part of the filter. If you double-click the icon on the right of the smart filter, you can edit some of its properties, like the opacity of the blur, and you can also select different blending modes to apply. And if you double-click the name of the filter, you can adjust the strength of the filter. I am going to go through some filters, as well as the filter gallery, which has many presets. As I mentioned earlier, you need to try some of the filters and adjust all the available parameters. This will be fun, and you can find many options that you will like. There are also some preset blur effects in the blur gallery, like the iris blur, which you can edit to blur out the rest of the image, and highlight the part you wish to keep in focus. I hope you found this tutorial useful. Please like, subscribe, and click the notification bell, so you can be notified when I release a new video. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to see you in the next tutorial.